Located on a beautiful corner lot on the desirable Blackstone Boulevard, this gracious Colonial with a 2-car garage has been tastefully renovated throughout its spacious floor plan. The classic center hall is flanked by a gracious living room with an elegant dining room, each with a brick fireplace. The stunning chef's kitchen features professional-grade appliances, stone countertops, and a butler's pantry. Completing the main level are a quiet study, a sunroom, and a charming casual dining area. There is a lovely fenced yard which serves as a private oasis with a stone patio and fire pit, an ideal setting for alfresco dining and garden parties. The second level includes a sumptuous master with an adjoining private sunroom, sitting room, and a spa bath, and 2 additional bedrooms that share an updated full bath. The finished third floor has 2 bedrooms, laundry, and both a full bath and a half bath. From this fantastic location, you can walk to the farmers market at Libet Memorial or to popular Hope Village. You can also shop at the local businesses along Thayer Street and Wayland Square. Easy access to the downtown commuter rail and interstate offers a variety of travel options throughout the Northeast Corridor. The creative capital is a vibrant city filled with award-winning theaters and restaurants. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.